Hi guys, I'm Keenan Kroner Austin here, and today I'm gonna be comforting Gaming Master again. The reason why that Gaming Master's sad because he just watched because he just watched Go Big Planet Mate 8354's premiere, and he is sad along with me and everyone else that the legacy video maker is retiring in 24 hours. So that's why that Gaming Master's sad, because the legacy video maker is shutting down. So I think the legacy video maker is shutting down tomorrow. Don't worry, Gaming Master. I will comfort you. I'm just gonna turn on some music and so you will feel better. Don't worry, Gaming Master. I got the music on for you. I'm gonna let you listen to that music, and so you will be happy, okay? Don't worry, Gaming Master. I will comfort you. Let's listen to that music to make Gaming Master really happy. This is why I'm comforting Gaming Master, because he's sad about the legacy video maker shutting down. So this is why I'm comforting Gaming Master.